Microsoft Word has some useful spelling support built in for those pupils who struggle with spelling. Here's an example. When I type, I mark spelling mistakes. So the first thing I can do is I can see the word is underlined, highlighting that there is a mistake. So I can, first of all, left click onto the spelling mistake. I can go down to the various words. So I can see the words, but I'm still not sure which word is the one I need to choose. So along at the three dots, if I click onto the three dots, we can choose read aloud.
Type similar to, kind, font, key.
If I'm not sure, we can go back down to the next word and read that one
Tape
aloud.
similar to, adhesive tape, cassette, ribbon.
It's not adhesive tape, so let's go back to this one. Read aloud.
Type similar to, kind, font, key.
Okay, that's the one. I'll now click on type. Alternatively, rather than left clicking, we can also right click onto the word. So that's a right click, and here it's the same options, just shown in a different format. This time, to find the word, I can see there's some definitions underneath the word. That's quite useful, but if I just click onto the arrow, I also have the option to read aloud as well. So let's just click on read aloud.
Similar to, brand, create, cook.
Okay, that's the one I want. And then the same for spelling mistakes. Mistakes is either a right click or a left click. Okay, and then finally, read aloud.
Mistakes, similar to, errors, confounds, misunderstands.
I'll choose mistakes.